Hello everyone, this is Krishna from Silicon Tech. We are going for a family trip to Hyderabad to celebrate my dad's birthday. I've always wanted to do a video like everyday carry, travel backpack even before starting the channel. Now it's time to make one and share it with you all. I'll share the link to all products in the description below. If you're interested in any of this, you can check it out. First things first, backpack of my choice is Brevity, whatever you call it. It's basically a camera bag and has more slots than expected. It has two variants. I got the lowest one. I think this is 18 liters. I'm not sure. Let me check and let you know. A separate compartment for water. This phone has been my daily driver for now. Using it just for the battery life. I have made a full video about my opinion on this. I'll put that in the description below. This have the Spygen cover which has MagSafe. iPhone 16 by default doesn't come with MagSafe, unfortunately. If you watching this video, please do give a like and click the subscribe button. It will be useful for this channel to grow and your support means a lot. This is a new tech in the studio. I have been trying this for a while now. It's a plain glass. It's a USB-C charging. It's a plain glass. But wait, it does change to green tint on direct sunlight. That's so cool. Usually I take my MacBook Pro with iPad, but after the release of iPadOS 26, now it's already running on iPadOS 26. I want to do more testing. Testing beta 2 is here. I have a video on iPadOS 26. Please do check that video. Check that too from the description below. Okay, next is my travel camera. So this is the A7CR. I got this camera a few months back. A7R4 used to be my go-to camera, and I'm using that to shoot my YouTube videos currently. It's a great camera. If you want a review of it, let me know in the comment section below. I got A7CR because I wanted a light camera when I travel and also with good specs. Take a lot of photos and videos. A7CR as a 61 megapixel sensor and is a full frame camera. There's no problem with picture details details even when you're cropping. Maybe I should do a video for this too. Let me know. And I am carrying a 50mm lenses with this. Just taking one lens since it's traveling and it's a short trip. So next, the accessories pouch. This is the pouch I use it for accessories and cables. I got this from Muji. It's minimal. It looks sleek and I like the silicone kind of touch. Material, and it was cheaper too. I carry a Beats cable. I have universal charger adapter. I have the red one is the Beats cable, and this is the, I don't know why I'm carrying this, but still it's always there. MacBook Pro charger and other stuff. I even have this USB-C cable from Apple. So this is my accessory pouch. I do have one belt drawer one, but that is compact and won't fit much stuff that I want to take. Okay, next. Okay, wallet. This wallet is another addition to my all black army. It's a Louis Vuitton multiple wallet. It looks minimal, clean, and the leather feels so nice. Obviously, I wish Apple Pay was available in India. I wouldn't need to carry any wallet. Apple, if you're watching this, please hope you consider. Fingers crossed. There are some cards in here, bills. Next product also joins in my daily travel list. So this is the Apple Watch Ultra. I remove this only while showering. I track my health, sleep, oxygen level, many things. 49 fits perfectly on my wrist, and it's a part of my all black army too. A video of this Apple Watch Ultra is in the pipeline. Last but not the least, I have been trying nothing earphones now along with the Powerbeats Pro 2. However, my go-to earphones would be the iPadOS Pro. I think this is the best earphone I have ever used. Fits in my ear perfectly. USB-C noise cancellation is best in the segment. Lightweight, transparent mode is great too. It's clean and clear audio, great microphone. The list goes on. Yeah, this will be joining the trip with me. Well, here's my travel EDC video. It's a short trip. I have finally made one. Yeah, I think I should make more. What do you guys think? Thank you for watching. Catch you all in the next video.